Hey there, Savvy Savers. If one of your goals this year is to tackle those credit card balances like a superhero, you're in luck. Enter the amazing Snowball Debt Payment Method, the go-to strategy of finance experts everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how this simple approach can help you gain momentum and wipe out that crushing credit card debt. Ready to roll? Let's dive in. Think of the Snowball Method as your secret weapon. You focus on one card at a time, building speed and size just like a snowball zooming downhill. By prioritizing and gradually upping your payments, you can achieve that zero balance on all of your cards. So how does it work, and is it right for you? Let's roll through a quick example. Let's say you have 3 credit cards. Starting with card A, your store card with a balance of $250, card B, a traditional card also at $250, and finally card C with a towering $3,500 balance. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to prioritize the smallest debt to the largest. With a tie between cards A and B, we're going with B first due to its higher interest rate. Welcome to the tactical world of Ninja Finance. Next, we determine your monthly attack plan. Card B's minimum payment is $25, but we're adding an extra $30 for a total of $55 each month. Make sure this boost doesn't leave you completely broke though. If you're eating ramen 5 times a week, maybe revisit this payment amount. In the meantime, continue making at least the minimum monthly payments required on all of your other cards. Do this until your victory over card B is achieved. And after a bit of time, just like that, boom, card B is done, on to card A. Now redirect that $55 that you were paying on card B and add it to card A's minimum monthly payment. You'll now make $80 monthly payments until this baby's balance reaches zero. Each payoff is like leveling up in a game, and who doesn't love a good level up? Finally, once cards A and B vanish from your financial ledger, unleash your snowball fury on card C. Take the total payments from both, about $190 now, and focus them on this final challenge. Cue the blizzard as your snowball speeds down the hill, annihilating those debts. Now, one of the trickiest snowball fights remaining is resisting the urge to slide back into the avalanche of expenses. Here's the scoop. The quickest way to victory in this battle is waving your credit cards goodbye for now. Think of it as your heroic hiatus from swiping. Want a fun twist? Consider putting your credit cards on ice. Freeze them in a cup of water until you are debt-free. Remember that really the only way to get out of debt is to stop charging on your credit cards so that you can actually pay down those balances. And there you have it, team, the Snowball Method, a simple yet mighty approach to debt domination. Remember, start small, focus, and watch your progress snowball into huge success. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on taking control of your money. And no matter what, always remember, you got this.